Hello everybody, today we're going to discuss about an important topic about PMP applied into multidisciplinary environment. And in this context, I'm going to focus first of all into PMP applied into the project management profession, into the information systems as well into the information technology. Now, as you can see that in the development of new technology, there comes a tipping point, a time when our market needs proven capabilities. It is then you can feel confidence to streamline into your market demands. It is being a challenge far more than a destiny. It is a tragedy that the market had all collided to build a strategy that consists of various levels, that consist of visionary, missionary, values, goals, tactical approaches, as well as strategical approaches. Right. So today, market is evolving and it's moving into our century, right, through digital transformation, into internet data warehousings, and through business clouding. So all of these technologies, they need to be implemented through adopting a process and a methodology that helps them throughout achieving their strategical goals. That can be even done through only by adopting a consolidated project management practices. Technology, it assumes a great importance of project management in today's environment, in which it aids in collaboration, communication, and deployment of management practices. Without the use of project management, appliance will result in low morale in between teams, and that results in dissatisfaction between customers. Poor quality in deliverables and many factors that limits from delivering a project, as well as loss of the project. From project management knowledge area base, it will ease for a proper planning that will lead and enable a successful driving project to a safeguard, resulting into increase in return investment and opening new project trends with more customers, with an ambitious of challenges, as well overcoming any hidden plans from your competitors to overtake the market share percentages. Technology plays an important role in supporting and directing project managers in managing projects efficiently and as well effectively. Project management builds a collaboration of team that enables them to communicate with all stakeholders, building a sort of rapid communication that explains what they are delivering, how they're going to deliver, and what they are going to deliver. Information systems with wide aspects of its technology and project management all integrated together. It builds a compliant platform in the form of a process that is of overcoming any uncertainties that could be triggered throughout managing the projects. Now, the benefits of PMP in various industries. Now, in information technology, once if you are a certified project management, there is a lot of benefits you will be retaining from being a certified project manager. The first of all capture, you will see that you will increase in your skills, in your knowledge, right? So when you go and sit for an interview, whatever questions you're going to be asked from any sides, right, you will be able to answer it, because PMI, it stresses not only on the theoretical basis but also on the practical basis, how you think of situations that you could affect and how you can troubleshoot and resolve it. Again, if you're going to open a company yourself, you having the skill set in order how you're going to manage the project and how you should be able to have the practices and the standards that will enable you and ease you for managing your company's projects. PMP as well, it helps also in increasing of higher pay. So once you are, let's say you're getting an X salary, right, you will be X plus 2 once you get a PMP certified. Now again, the other advantage when you are PMP certified, you will have a network channel in between project managers when certified in the same category. You will be able to communicate with them. They will be able to help you and aid you to get you a job as well. So other benefits as well you will get from being a PMP certified is that you can increase your income, right? Now let's say if you're working today as a project manager in your field of IT, and then the substantial time you lost a project and you're not working anymore, right, because there's no project that exists. So you can go ahead and coach others, project managers, right, who needs to become certified, in which you will have an income that's entering, an earning of an income earning to your side, and as well you are retaining all the knowledge you have learned through far, so it prevents you from any forgettings, and you have the capabilities of getting other project managers being certified. Again, it will help you PMP in order to how to perform and measurement performance of the team, how to build KPIs, key performance indicators, how to evaluate them, right? In terms of how to perform scheduling, how for the team and how they communicate, how to cooperate. So in various aspects, you will be able to measure the performance of the team by the aid of using the knowledge base you have learned throughout your PMP studies. Now, as well, beside that, the PMP as well, it will get you a great job opportunities. You might be as well, if you're looking to become throughout the experience with your PM certification to become a project manager officer, you will be able to be managing large scale of projects, or if you need to manage a program or a portfolio, you will have the skills and the knowledge base that will aid you throughout that, right? As well, you will be able to vigorously complete your projects by using standards, by using documentations, right? And that will as well record into your curriculum of the successful projects you have been delivered by using adopting standards, and you will feel yourself unique because you know the know-how how to deliver projects. You have the knowledge, you have the base, you have the conceptual talking of what project management is about, and you're talking the terms that project managers do use throughout their managing their projects, or when you're having a discussion about any topic about project management. Now, PMP as well will make you to gain your invaluable experience. Now, PMP, because it focuses from its requirements that you need to have 3 years of experience, that's equal to 4,500 hours, and to attend a course as well to have a bachelor degree. So PMP, it will give you all the knowledge base and the experience on how to manage those projects, right? And even if you don't didn't experience a lot of work environments, right, you will be able, through managing the standards that entitles you to work through the PMI rules, so it will let you to gain more experience on how to solve complex problems and also diversify project problems. Again, you can easily make a career switch. For example, today you're taking 10 knowledge areas, which are scope management, your communication management, your procurement management, and the human resource management. As well, you can have the communication management. All of these specialties areas you can specialize through them. So today I'm working as a project management, right, and I got a job as a quality manager. I can work as a quality manager because I have taken and certified through a course called quality management, which is part of the knowledge areas, the 10 knowledge areas of project management. If let's say I need to be a communicator, I need to be a scheduler, again I can also specialize in those areas. I can work part-time on these areas because I have the knowledge base, right? Now, being a PMP certified is talking that it gives you a knowledge base, it gives you a skill set, right, that it will be able to provide you with self-motivation and self-esteem in order to manage a project with a high level of standards, and with even a more, you can say hypothetically, you can say that even you will be even knowing that I'm going through the right direction of managing that project with that methodology that have been used, and I know what are the dangers that could be, or the risks that could overcome that project predictively right throughout the project, and I will able to work out through a risk response plan before it occurs on that. So why Soft Academy? Now, Soft Academy, we are equipped with all the tools and the necessary experience and the knowledge, right, that provides you to practice project management, right, as well to learn the conceptual terminologies and the technology that is required you to pass your PMP exam, right? So we do combine both the theoretical and the practical experience, right, to our candidates. And as well, we do provide our on-site as well off-site. So if let's say you are outside Cairo, we can provide you with online courses, right, and we courier you the certification, right? As well, we do provide with an aim to us is that our fees are not so highly. Fees were competitive pricing, we do have competitive pricing compared to other centers. Our main target is that we maximize our people in passing the project management to become PMP certified, and as well to reduce the scale of non-project managers, non-skilled project managers who they manage projects and cause a lot of failures and they reach to the virus which called disaster recovery. So we are trying to overwhelm and to overcome those obstacles to project managers. They can manage the projects in a standard and modernized way.